What's up, techies? We have an absolutely incredible new feature. It is a mobile app for your students. Yes, all people who have a Techmatics account have on the Pro plan an app for your students that is completely white labeled with your own branding and your own logo. This allows you to look so professional in the course world. You literally can tell your students to download your very own branded app to be able to watch your courses. And we have some amazing new features coming up with it. Let's take a look at how you set up your very own app in your Techmatics account. So log into your Techmatics account. You're going to scroll down to sites and courses, and then click on the memberships and courses area. Then click on settings. Now from here in the settings area underneath your courses section, you will see you now have an app settings button. Click on that bad boy, and this is where you can now start to customize the look, the design, the name of your own app that's going to be in your own branding. This is so cool. Right, the first thing you're going to want to do is turn on PWA. That just means progressive web apps. It just increases and improves the experience that the user has on the app. And we don't need to get more techie than that. Just turn it on, techies. All right. Now, next, you want to give it a name. So, it'll be your business name, your company name, your name. So if I was creating one for my Sarah Cordner courses or my Edupreneur Academy, I might call it Edupreneur Academy or Sarah's Academy, whatever it is, right? So just name it so that your students know what it is. Description, whatever you like, courses on the go with Sarah Cordner, right? Whatever it is, something really simple so that, again, your users know who this app is, what it's about, what they're going to see on it. Then you're going to want to add your app logo. This is the button that will show in the icon, the app icon on your students' phones. Okay, so this is going to want to be your logo or your face or something. How cool is it that your face gets to be? I'm going to change mine to my face, right? So I've got my face on everyone's phone. How cool is that? You've got the recommended sizes for these, by the way. So do take note of these. Go into Canva and create your images at the correct sizing, basically. Under select image, that's where you upload your files. So make sure that you've got your logo for your app and your logo for your phone app. Now down here, you've got a bunch of color options then to choose from. You simply click on the one that you want. And over here on the preview, it will just show you what that's looking like. So you can go through and choose from those different colors. We've got some lovely feminine ones, and we've got some nice sort of clean looking ones as well. So once you're happy with that, then press save. From there, we now actually need to go in and actually change some of our settings. Okay, so we've just pressed back. We're under memberships and courses. We're inside settings. Now we're going to click on site details. And from here, we're actually going to be able to edit some of our actual app settings for our site. So this is basically the URL of your online school. So because we're inside the memberships and courses settings area, and we're talking about site details, we're not referring to our whole website here. We're referring to the site details in reference to our courses area. Okay. Now this subdomain, you can make this whatever you like. As you know, if you've seen previous training videos here, you can go over into your websites area. You can add your own custom subdomains. So we can make this whatever we want. Right, for instance, this could be Techmatics. If I've added Techmatics in the back end, I don't think I have in this particular demo account, so I can't. So I'm actually just going to leave that as it was for default. But if you've added your domains, you can now add your subdomains in here. You can also generate a magic link as well, which, by the way, you can give to people to take them straight into your training area. But from there, basically what happens is if I give them this link here or this quick magic link here, and they open that link on their mobile phone, it will then pop up with a little instruction that says how to then download that app on their phone. Because we've enabled that PWA in the app settings area, Your instruction to them will be to basically send out an email to your students with the link to your courses area, either this one here or this one here, saying, please open this link on your mobile device and the instructions will pop up on screen. That's what you want to tell them in the email that you send out. So when they click that link from that mobile device, because the PWA is now enabled, they will basically have a little download button that will pop up on their phone and download the app right onto their mobile device so that they can watch you and your courses at any time straight from their phone. How amazing is that? If you get stuck, need any questions answered, email us on support@techmatics.com. Don't forget, we also have a free training course, techmatics.com/learn, and you can even hire our Techsperts to help you set things up, connect pages, create courses, anything you need. Go to techmatics.com/services and our team can help you out. Otherwise, this is a game changer. This absolutely completely utterly takes over any other LMS out there. The fact that you can get all of this included in your pro plan at no extra charge is a game changer. Happy tacking!